got the Chevrolet Silverado. I call her Black Thunder, Black Betty. And we got the White Silverado, aka White Lightning. Yeah, cool. 4 doors. Top of line package. Beautiful car, truck, cars. And you got my Chevy Cruze, 2014 Chevy Cruze LT, 4-cylinder turbo. Was bad out of hell. I've had her since she was brand new. It's getting a good car, but time to upgrade. But which car on the lot should I get? Well, if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be able to buy one of these bad boys. The Arcadias. Bear with the wind, folks. Nothing I can do. And this video is going to be uncut, because that's what I do. Alright, folks.